Why is he trying it? Oh my god. Why is he trying it? Oh my god, stop it!
Is he trying to help, Nakira? What is he trying to do?
Oh, she'll help.
Hy is mooi kleintjies.
Kom eens eers.
Net probably a firstborn. How will she help? What will she do? Kan jy daar of nie?
She will... Because this thing is struggling.
I think that's the only way
No,
to
this is not
push.
helping.
No, it's getting her activated.
Yes.
Is that a male?
No, it's also a female.
She's vital. Say vital.
Talking about watching us. Yes. Get up. Oh my god. Why is she biting us so badly? Yeah, dude, thanks. No. She's helping her getting out. Helping her eyes. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Get out, other one. I think that's the only way they can do it. Oh! Dit way. To ani wolą druk. Ja, ze willen het achter van het bolletje af. Ja, maar ik zit je van de hand. Ja, zo before that. What's your all in this baby? I think it's honestly make it cool. I don't think it's killing it, no. Doesn't have to get up. He's moving. I'm surprised that she's being so lucky. Come on. This is not being medical care. Where's the condition? Where's the medical? Oh, she left the center.